Over the next decade, 3.5 million workers will need to be added to the manufacturing industry, and there are not enough skilled workers to be able to fill that need. Plus, these are good paying jobs, and a technician entering into the field could earn anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 a year with an associate's degree and or certificate from one of our 4 areas of manufacturing here at Waubonsee. Waubonsee's curriculum covers all facets of the manufacturing process, from design and concept all the way through the actual manufacturing of the product. We have a computer-aided design and drafting program, as well as a machine tool technology program, welding, and automation technology. Companies that students are employed at, like Komatsu or GM or Ian in Engineering and Fermilab, and having those relationships with our external community helps provide additional opportunities for success.
There are a lot of job openings, and there's going to be a lot more job openings. Right now I can't fill the jobs that are available.
And most of our students, actually through our internships and so forth, get a position at an entry-level drafter prior to graduation.
And our curriculum covers it all. Everything students need to know to land a job in the advanced manufacturing industry and be valued and be very good at it.
A lot of the employers like to hire our students. They get some good hands-on experience, so they can be relatively well-versed.
My background with Waubonsee is pretty diverse over the past few years. We have used them exclusively to provide our maintenance training for the maintenance mechanics in our facility. For us, Waubonsee has provided that training to kind of bring their skill set up, whether that's in the mechanical or electrical areas.
They have already the structure for this is where you're going to start and this is where you're going to finish.
So this is real world. This is where it comes from. And it's nice that we got to study it here.
We are always looking for additional accreditations or industry stamps that we can put on our programs to provide additional opportunities and recognition for the work that our faculty and students do.
It's the future of manufacturing, and we teach it here at Waubonsee.
If you want to transition from college to a job, come to Waubonsee.
These transfer agreements that we work to craft for your institution creates an additional pathway for the student who is looking to transfer and pursue a bachelor's degree or further their education beyond that point.
For students that want to continue on, they'll go to typically a 4-year school like NIU, who has either a 2-and-2 program, which they can do their associates here and then transfer, take 2 more years there, or a 3-and-1 program where students will take their associates here, then also take extra classes that they didn't need for the associates here, transfer to NIU and take 1 more year there.
Within our computer-aided design and drafting degree, we've got 3 pathways. One is a mechanical-based pathway, the second is actually an architectural-based pathway, and the third is just strictly a design.
We have 2 certificates, and you can also get a welding associate's degree. And we try to prepare people, for the world of work.
The Advanced Manufacturing Technology program at Waubonsee offers an associate's in applied science, and there are also 2 certificates that you can achieve. We have a CNC machine operator certificate as well as a CNC programmer certificate.
Our faculty are unique because a lot of them are practitioners. They've worked in the fields or done research in the fields in which they are instructing their students.
We bring a lot of industry experience in our classrooms. So we're not just teaching you about design, engineering, how to use the software. We're teaching you how to apply the software in industry settings.
We've got myself and 2 other adjuncts, and just the other day we were just talking about it, and we've probably got over 120 years of experience.
So the instructors that we have teaching the Advanced Manufacturing program have tons of industrial experience and real life experience, and that's extremely important because they're teaching students the real skills necessary.
It's extremely important that instructors have that real world experience because they know what our prospective employers are looking for in an employee.
The schooling and the training that they provide with Waubonsee is very hands-on. The labs that they have at the college, and then adding to the fact that they have the opportunity to do the classroom setting, but apply that classroom setting in the actual lab so that when they come in and go to work, they can apply that in the real world.